So we've got an update to the broken gimbal on the Mavic 2 Pro. Let's just get into this story, shall we? Welcome back, phones, drones, and tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. So DJI has reached out to one of my subscribers that have commented on my video, basically sort of resting his concerns for an issue with this adhesion process that we are seeing on the Mavic 2s. There is literally no pause for concern after reading through their tweets and listening to them talk about this whole adhesion process. And if we didn't know any better, there were many more drones that have used this very same process. Matter of fact, it's an industry standard and I had no idea. So I apologize if I put anybody off with my concerns on the Mavic 2 Pro. However, DJI has basically said that they test this, they have used it in the Mavic Pro, and they have used it in the Phantom 3s and other products. So there's really no issue with this. It's been long tested and proven. And the only reason why we know this was a problem is because it came off on this particular unit. There has been countless units already in the hands of people that are far less careful than probably any of us are, and we haven't heard any of these issues. So I think it's safe to say this is probably a non-issue. And as Drake would do, nah, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm going to fly my Mavic and enjoy it. And if you were paused for possibly purchasing a Pro, don't let this be a deterrent for you. Absolutely get the drone. The footage that is coming out of these things is fantastic. It looks amazing. And for those who have asked why I didn't get one personally, well, I wanted to test out the zoom feature first. And I plan on sending my drone in to do the whole upgrade process because I'm just wanting to know how long that's going to take, how much it's going to cost, in case if anybody out there is interested in doing that process later on. I'll have a better explanation for that at a later date. But anyways, read through this tweet. I'll make sure I go ahead and link it in the description below so that way you can read through and check it out. But I think DJI doing this for the customer is an awesome thing, and it speaks volumes for their customer service. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, click the thumbs up button. If you didn't, that other button tends to work fine as well. As always, stay original. I'll see you.